Fuerteventura, a paradise of white sand beaches and turquoise water, where you can discover vast natural landscapes. Corralejo dunes are a vast expanse of white sand that blends with the blue ocean. Popcorn Beach. This is white coral, the result of calcareous algae mixing and eroding with the white sand of the beach. Piedra Playa, or Playa Castillo, is a natural beach composed of fine sand and high rock walls. A favorite with surfers. Playa Los Molinos. A small and charming beach that materializes at the end of a stream, surrounded by imposing cliffs. Morro, Jable. Playa del Matorral is a beautiful and vast expanse of golden sand that stretches for over 4 kilometers. Jable, with its unique charm, offers an unforgettable holiday experience characterized by tranquility and scenic beauty. The Ajui Caves, located on the seafront on the black sands of Caleta Negra. Are carved into the volcanic rock by the ocean waves. La Concha Beach, one of the most famous on the island of Fuerteventura for its tranquility and beauty. Old farmhouses, typical Canarian-style houses, and still functioning windmills, which produce toasted corn. Puerto del Rosario. The capital of Fuerteventura is located in the center of the island, more precisely, on its eastern coast. Situated on the top of a mountain, the La Entalada Lighthouse is surrounded by spectacular views. On one side, the vast ocean, on the other, the rugged mountains of Fuerteventura. El Salmo, a wild and pristine beach, part of the Jandia Peninsula Nature Reserve, magically retains its natural beauty. From the dune overlooking Playa El Salmo is spectacular. Playa Sotavento is the island's most world-famous beach, stretching 9 kilometers and breathtaking. Barranco de las Peñitas is one of Fuerteventura's most fascinating places, a wonderful tale of incredible oases of palm trees and mystery. path leads to the Ermita de la Peña, home to an alabaster statue of the island's patron saint. De las Peñitas is a magnificent rock formation that has been smoothed and shaped over the years by wind and sand. Cofate, this immense expanse of golden sand, makes it a true pearl of the entire archipelago. Playa de los Ojos. Between the volcanic soil and the vast horizon lies a magical place where the soul is reflected in the infinite sea. And the heart is filled with profound emotions. The Punta Jandia Lighthouse has been a guide for sailors for decades. It is one of the oldest in the Canary Islands. Puertito de la Cruz, a charming fishing village on the southern tip of the island. Fuerteventura, long stretches of golden sand, crystal clear waters, sand dunes, cliffs, vast plains and volcanic reliefs, and so many wonderful adventures.